Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, what you're looking at, of course, is a box from FedEx that just arrived from my good friend Rick Saunders. This is the original cars for the Lionel 33. Standard gauge cars. There's a flat car, a box car, and a caboose. So this is the grand unboxing. So I wanted to do a quick video on this. Been waiting for this for weeks, well, seems like it anyway, since I got the Lionel 33 up and running, started looking for cars, and Rick contacted me and said that he had some original cars if I would be willing to trade for a Marks 999, and some cars, of course. So we did an even trade. This arrived today, and I'm really looking forward to seeing these cars. So, wow. As you can see, these things are absolutely gigantic. So there is the box car. Here is a gondola, as you can see. And I must assume this is the caboose. Look at that. Wow. Alright, I think that's everything that was in there. Yep. Alright, let me get this out of the way. Now what I'm going to do is oil the wheels and then put these on the track and see how they run. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video. Let me pull the camera off the tripod. So these are the original cars for the Lionel 33. I am really looking forward to putting these behind that old locomotive. Now I transplanted that Marks motor in there, so it's going to be curious to see how it's going to run pulling these cars. As you can see, these things are absolutely gigantic. They are huge. There's no doubt about that. Compared to O gauge, these things are just absolutely monsters. So in any case, this is just a quick unboxing video. Like I said, I'm going to oil the wheels, and then I'll do a video of actually putting these on the rail and running them. So in fair condition, not terrible by any stretch of the imagination. A bit of paint loss on the gondola, but again, these things are old. So the original cars for the Lionel 33. Really looking forward to seeing these things running on the rail. So like I said, I'm going to oil the wheels. I'll put them on the track. I'll do a video of the first test run of the original cars for the Lionel 33 locomotive. So just wanted to do a grand unboxing on these. These things just got here, and been looking forward to this. Did a lot of searching for cars, and when Rick contacted me, I was more than willing to trade the 999 and some cars straight across for these Lionel standard gauge. As you can see, these things are just absolutely huge. So just a quick unboxing video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.